name is Wubsy. Wubsy lives in a tree, he likes to play, play, play. He's got a bendy tail and he likes it that way. Wow, wow, Wubsy, 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 wow, wow. Widget is his friend, she likes to build. She hammers and she saws and her toolbox is filled. Wow, wow, Wubsy, 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 wow, wow. Walden is their friend, he's really smart. He knows about science and books.
Wow, wow, master designers. Tonight we're gonna draw QUAXUAL.
Wubsy and Widget and Walden are friends.
One of the evolved starters from the new game, Scarlet and Violet. You know it, you love it. They're the best of the best.
My name is Wubsy. Wubsy lives in a tree, he likes to play, play, play. He's got a bendy tail and he likes it that
The Pokédex has really evolved and has improved. They're this close to getting 1,000 Pokemon in the Dex. As soon as Pokemon Home gets released on Nintendo Switch, we'll know for sure if it really has 1,000 Pokemon in the West.
And when they are together, the fun never ends. Wow.
Alright, here's his
Wow, everyone. My name is Wubsy.
here's his flippers.
Wubsy lives in a tree, he likes to play, play, play. He's got a bendy tail and he likes it that way. Wow, Wubsy, 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 wow, wow. Widget is his friend, she likes to build. She hammers and she saws and her toolbox is filled. Wow, Wubsy, 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 wow, wow. Walden is their friend, he's really smart. He knows about science and books and art. Wow, Wubsy, 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 wow, wow. Wubsy and Widget and Walden are friends. And when they are together, the fun never ends. Wow.
There we are.
Wow, everyone. My name is Wubsy. Wubsy lives in a tree, he likes to play, play, play. He's got a bendy tail.
Here's his flippers.
Widget is his friend, she likes to build. She hammers and she saws and her toolbox is filled. Walden is their friend, he's really smart. He knows about science and books and art. Wubsy and Widget and Walden are friends. And when they are together, the fun never ends.
The last thing to draw, and that's his other flipper. These are his fingers, actually.
Wow, everyone. My name is Wubsy.
There he is. Just gotta draw one last thing, and that's his lower half. There he is. That's how you draw QUAXUAL. One of the starters evolved forms. I'm glad you got to see me draw this guy. These guys, well, they're everywhere, and they're never gonna stop evolving. I'm so amped to see what's next for the game. Good night, guys.